Hey guys, Pat here from Zero Geelong, and today we're going to be going over a Larsen bench press. So a Larsen bench press is essentially a form of feet up bench press where we have the legs flexed out in front of us. It helps us really work on our scapular position and making sure that we're really pressing with the upper body while holding our positioning. So what we're going to be doing is setting up the exact same way we would for a normal bench press. So keeping our legs on the ground, helping them set our arch, unracking, bringing the bar out. As soon as we set our bum down, we kind of want to slide our feet away, keeping our legs extended, and then we're just going to bench like normal. So bring the bar down, pause on the chest, and press back up. Really important here that we don't wave our feet around down the bottom. It's really important that we just make sure that we are pressing, our upper body is locked in, and making sure that our legs are nice and extended. That's how you do a Larsen press.